Here is my presentation to PCOM midterm 2, and I still choose the Philippines to represent as my chosen country. So I started it. I choose Philippines because the Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands in Southeast Asia. It's known for its stunning beaches, diverse culture, and delicious food. The Philippines is a melting pot of influences shaped by its history and geography. The Philippines is an archipelago nation in Southeast Asia known for its cultural diversity, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant history. A nation of islands, the Philippines is a collection of islands, each with its unique character. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao are the three major island groups. Each island has its own unique attractions, from stunning beaches to majestic mountains. Luzon, the largest island, home to the capital, Manila, known for rice terraces, volcanoes, and beaches. The next is Visayas, a central region with stunning beaches, marine life, and historical sites. And last is the Mindanao, southernmost region, known for its diverse wildlife, rich culture, and delicious food. And let's talk about the tapestry of cultures. The Philippines has a rich and diverse culture influenced by centuries of trade and colonization. The country's traditions are rooted in indigenous practices, Spanish influences, and American culture. These influences create a unique and vibrant cultural landscape. For indigenous traditions, rich traditions are preserved in festivals, music, dance, and art. The indigenous peoples of the Philippines have a deep connection to their land and culture. Spanish heritage. Spanish colonialism left a lasting mark on the Philippines, influencing language, architecture, food, and religion. The next is American influence. The American colonial period brought about changes in education, governance, and technology, shaping the modern Philippines. The Philippines has a piece of the senses. Filipino cuisine is a delicious mix of flavors, textures, and aromas, reflecting the country's diverse cultural influences. From savory stews to sweet desserts, Filipino food is a culinary adventure like adobo, a national dish, meat braised in soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and peppercorns. Next is lechon, a whole roasted pig, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, a staple at special occasions. The next is sinigang, a sour and savory soup made with tamarind meat and vegetables. The next is halo-halo, a refreshing shaved ice dessert with milk, fruits, beans, and jellies, perfect for hot weather. This is the example of adobo, pork adobo, sometimes with chicken, um, or vegetables like kangkong and sitaw. And this is the lechon. This is we use a native pig for very delicious taste. And this is the sinigang. We use sometimes also chicken, but The natural recipe of this is pork. And this one is the halo-halo. The languages of the Philippines. The official language of the Philippines are Filipino and English. Filipino is based on Tagalog, the language is spoken in Manila. English is widely spoken, especially in education, government, and business. In Tagalog, the most widely spoken language in the Philippines, the basis for Filipino. Cebuano, the second most spoken language, commonly spoken in the Visayas region. And the third is Ilocano, spoken in the northern region of Luzon, known for its unique pronunciation. And number four is English, widely spoken in education, government, and business, a legacy of American colonialism. Philippines has also a communication norms. Filipinos value politeness and respect in communication. They are known for their warmth and hospitality. Greetings are an important part of social interaction, expressing respect and building relationship. Number one, it's mano po, it's a Tagalog word for a respectful gesture where younger people touch the elder's hand to their forehead. And the second is kumusta in Tagalog. For English, it's how are you? A common greeting meaning how are you? And number three is magandang umaga, hapon, and gabi. Magandang umaga is in English translation is good morning. Magandang hapon is good afternoon. And magandang gabi is for evening. It's good evening, expressing time of day and respect. Let's discovering the Philippines, exploring the Philippines in an adventure. The Philippines is a country full of life, laughter, and warmth. It's a destination that will have a lasting impression. For number one, beaches and islands. Relax on pristine beaches, explore coral reefs, and enjoy water sports. Number two is cultural heritage. Visit historical cities, learn about indigenous tradition, and experience vibrant festivals. Number three is nature and adventure. Hike through lush rainforests, climb majestic mountains, and witness diverse wildlife. For the example of beaches and islands, as you can see, this one is a beautiful island with a beautiful beach here in the Philippines. The next is cultural heritage, and this one is the house of our nation, the Philippines national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, that held in Calamba City in the province of Laguna. For nature and adventure, I present the Pagsanhan Falls in the province of Laguna. Filipinos' hobbies and activities. In the Philippines, popular hobbies and activities reflect the country's diverse culture and natural surroundings. Filipinos enjoy a variety of pastimes such as basketball, karaoke singing or in videoke, and traditional dancing like tinikling. This one is Filipino playing basketball. We all see this around the Philippines. Every streets have a basketball court, even half court or whole court. And the next picture is singing in karaoke or in videoke. And the last one is the traditional dancing of tinikling. And here is the example of singing and karaoke. And that is me.
Walang hiya.
I'm sorry for the background because I taught my cousin to take a video of me for this to take this video for this activity.
Utang na ako pagkapuno eh. Kaya yung papainom niya. Ano sabi ko? Pagkaya puno, sa'yo papainom niya. Diba?
Gagapag yung buong sinato mo. Huwag na! Huwag na!
Like, I want to say sorry for the unnecessary noise.
Pagkapag bubukas ang puti ka ganyan. Ha? Pagkapag bubukas ka. Oo, hindi ka na ganyan. Backstroke, backstroke.
Bato na ng tubig. Ano ng tubig?
And that's all. Thank you. I hope you understand my English. I'm sorry for that because I'm not fluent in English, but I still want to learn how to speak English properly. Thank you.